Hey everyone, Vinny here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most practical time-saving Excel tools for sales operations, marketing teams, CRM managers, and anyone who deals with messy address lists. Every day we've helped businesses clean, validate, and standardize thousands of addresses instantly, all without leaving Excel. And we've helped over 7,000 happy customers across multiple industries clean, validate, and automate their addresses using simple Excel-based tools just like this one. We're very incredibly proud to have earned more than 150 five-star reviews on Google as of this time, a sign of how much our customers rely and appreciate these tools on it every single day. And people love the speed, the accuracy, and the fact that there is nothing to install. Everything just works right inside Excel. And today I want to share a story from the sales operation world. And if you've ever worked with a CRM export, this is going to sound way too familiar. We've got Ethan, sales operations manager at a fast-growing SaaS company, and he just exported more than 8,000 contact addresses from HubSpot for an upcoming direct mail campaign. The moment he opened the file, he knew that he was in trouble. Half of the addresses were missing zip codes, others had inconsistent abbreviations or formatted in completely different ways. With a huge direct mailing campaign launching next week, Ethan didn't just need these addresses cleaned. He needed them to be perfect and based on standard USPS formatting. And a bad export would mean undeliverable mail, delays, and more than 10,000 in wasted printing and postage cost. And worst of all, manually fixing everything was going to take him hours and hours, probably over 40 hours of time that he definitely didn't have. And that's when Ethan asked the magical word, there's got to be a better way. He searched and helped and came across our Excel Address Validator tool. Simple Google search led him straight to the tool that would have ended up saving his entire campaign. He downloaded it, opened the file, and immediately felt relief. Finally, something simple. He pasted all the 8,000 addresses, clicked on the run button, and within about a few minutes, the entire list was transformed. Every address was standardized into USPS format, missing zip codes were filled in, incomplete entries were corrected, abbreviations were fixed, and everything was validated directly through the Google Maps API. What really made Ethan feel confident was knowing that every address is validated against Google Maps database for accuracy. When he presented the clean list to the executives, he finally felt like he had control over his data again. Instead of fighting formatting problems, he could focus on launching and making the campaign a success. And best part of it, in just one session, his entire week of work was done for him. And Ethan's story, is a perfect example of how a simple Excel tool that we built has saved him and a lot of our customers just like him hours and hours of manual work, prevented expensive mistakes, and give teams confidence in their customer data. If you're dealing with messy HubSpot addresses and need a fast, accurate way to clean and standardize thousands of records, check out the Excel Address Validator using the link in the description. And if your team ever needs a custom Excel tool built specifically for your workflow and for your needs, feel free to reach out to me directly via live chat at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next time saving Excel tool. Till next time.